In the previous video, we learned how to create cards in Panel. In this video, we're taking it one step further and discovering how to add images inside a card. For this project, we'll be working with 3 images, and you'll be able to download all of them from the GitHub link in the video description. Now let's dive into the code together. Here we're creating our first card. Inside this card, we're stacking elements vertically using a column layout. At the very top, we place an image, which will load from a local file named image-1. Right below it, we add a product name, then a price label, and finally a colorful buy button. All of this content lives inside a single card titled Sneaker A, so visually it looks like a neat product box with an image, text, and an action button. Next, we place this card inside a grid layout. Even though we only have one card for now, using a grid prepares us for adding more cards later. Then we wrap everything inside a main column layout, giving our app a clear title at the top and a short description before displaying the card below. Finally, we make the app available in the browser so we can see our work in action. All right, let's run this and see what happens. On the screen, we now have a clean product card displaying our first shoe image, its name, and a button underneath. We've successfully created a card that includes a real image, not just text. Now let's make things more interesting by adding 2 more cards. For the second card, we follow the same structure. An image at the top, followed by a product name, a price, and a green buy button. This time, the image comes from a different file, giving us a second shoe with a slightly higher price and a different visual style. For the third card, we repeat the process once again. We load a new image, add a name and price, and place a yellow buy button at the bottom. Each card follows the same pattern, but each one represents a different product, which makes our interface feel more like a real mini store. Before we move on, don't forget to add these 2 new cards into the grid box and set the number of columns to 3 so everything lines up nicely in a row. Now let's run the app again and take a look. This time, we see 3 colorful product cards displayed side by side, each with its own image, title, price, and button. It looks much more dynamic and visually appealing than before. In the next one, we'll continue exploring Panel and keep building more powerful and interactive Python web apps together.